Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You triggered an SOS. Act fast but calmly. First, look at the screen for a visible cancel, end call, or stop button and any confirmation prompts. If your phone is locked, unlock it immediately. This gives you full control and prevents accidental reactivation. Once unlocked, avoid pressing other hardware buttons. They can escalate the alert. If the call is already connected, locate the in-call controls or swipe down the notification to expose the cancel option and prepare to confirm. Now focus on stopping the transmission. If an in-call screen appears, tap the red end call button. If a cancel option appears on a banner, tap it and then confirm when prompted. On some devices, you may need to swipe the banner or press a soft confirm button. Do that deliberately to avoid retriggering. If carrier IVR answers, press the phone's end call or back control to terminate. Once stopped, check notifications for any follow-up instructions or callback numbers before moving on. Finish by verifying the emergency sequence completely ended. Open your call log and notifications to ensure no active SOS or ongoing call. If the alert won't cancel, reboot the device. If that fails, toggle airplane mode to sever network links, then restart and re-enable. Make sure to review emergency SOS settings to prevent repeat activations. If emergency responders were summoned, you must call back the dispatch number immediately. Explain the false alarm and confirm you canceled the request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.